Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and prepare fish before cooking. I pass you over to Mark.
Hi everybody, I'm Mark, I'm the fisherman, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut, clean and prepare a fish before cooking. I'm going to give you two options, one with the head on, one with the head off, and you'll see from this video I'm using an ordinary kitchen knife just to show you how easy it is to clean a fish.
Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes.
Welcome to this tutorial on how to clean a fish. Today we're using a mackerel. As you can see, it's complete, and the first thing to do is to take your knife up by the dorsal fin and just cut towards the head halfway through, like so. Then flip it over and do the same the other way. Now this is if you were going to take the head off. We'll show you in a minute how to do this without taking the head off. And that comes out nicely. Now if you look on the bottom of the fish, you'll see it's little vent just there. Just slide the knife into the vent and up the stomach. There's a cavity there with all the intestines, so this goes really easy. Just open it up, take your knife into the middle and just scrape away all the guts and the intestines. Now the one thing you will notice is that there's a black line on the base of the backbone. This is actually a blood sac, and we've noticed when going to a fishmonger's in France, they actually don't clean this. If you don't clean this, the blood remains and it will create a bitterness to your fish. So all you do is take your thumb and just run it along that sac and then just clean it underwater, and that will be totally removed. And that's your fish cleaned. Just rinse it underwater, job done. You can either cut the tail off or leave it on, depending on your preference. And that's how to clean a fish. Okay, just the final thing, just to rinse the fish underwater. So I've already opened that blood sac up and I'm just running my finger along, and as you can see, just pulling out the grime. And there we have a lovely clean fish. Okay, we have another mackerel here, and what I'm going to show you now is how to clean a mackerel but to keep the head on. So again, looking at the bottom, you've got the vent. Just slide your knife in and work your way up to the head, just to where we cut it beforehand. We can then open the fish up, just take the knife in and then scrape the innards out. And again, you've got the blood, so we'll just use our thumb to open that up. Because we haven't taken the head off, just stick your finger in the head department and you'll probably find a little bit extra. Just pull that out. And as you can see, the fish is now completely clean. I just rinsed that under the water. And this is how to clean a fish and to keep the head on for full presentation. Okay, so with the head on, we're just going to rinse the innards of the fish, get rid of that blood on the back of the spine, and that's your fish cleaned.
Guys, if you like Filipino fish recipes, check out my playlist entitled Filipino Seafood Recipes. I hope you enjoyed this video today on how to clean and prepare fish before cooking. If you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. More recipe to follow from my Filipino cooking channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon! Guys, stay tuned because I release new Filipino recipes every week from my Filipino cooking channel in English.